And then Almighty Allah mentions, أَلَمْ يَجْعَلْ كَيْدَهُمْ فِي تَضْلِيلٍ. Did He not cause their device to fail, their plan to fail? So first is, did you not see how He dealt with the people, with the companions of the elephant? And then He says, did He not cause their device to fail? Did He not cause their plan to fail? أَلَمْ يَجْعَلْ كَيْدَهُمْ فِي تَضْلِيلٍ وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ. And He sent on them swarms of birds. Now understand, these were just small birds. These were just small birds. And they only had 3 stones, 1 in the beak, 2 in the claws. When Allah wants to empower something, nothing can stand in front of it. Nothing can stand. And this is the dua we make through the barakah of Surah Fil, that we see the barakah in Palestine, inshallah. That this, 3 stones, 1 in the beak, 2 in the claws, and it dropped down elephants. It dropped down. For Allah it is kun fayakun, be and it will be. Be and it will